Hello, in this video, I'm going to go over how you can use the Simple Items tab in the bid. So first thing we need to do before we can create a simple item is, if you have not done so already, is that we would need to go over to our company profile, if you are an executive, and set your default category. So for us, we have our asphalt as our default category. So from there, once we've done that, we can go back to our bid now, and then we can start using simple items. So to use a simple item, I'm just going to add a new item here. We're going to click on this line here, and what shows up is every single item we offer that is inside of PavementSoft. So that includes your proposal items, your additional cost items. So everything that are in those lists, you will be found on this list. So we can do asphalt curbing. We can choose a water truck per day, which we know is in our additional cost. So we can choose this as a simple item. So let's just choose cold patch 50-pound bag. Okay, we can add a description here, um, or cold patch area. So we can say how many 50-pound bags we're going to need. Say we'll need 10 bags. Units is per bag. Internal cost is 75, which is filling from our additional costs, what we've put before. So we're going to try and get 25% markup for this. So the price per unit to the client is $93.75. Profit per unit is $18, and then total price to client is $937.50. So a total profit of $187.50. Now we're going to click save. Now to view this, we're going to go to our proposal and view print proposal. And once our proposals come up, we can scroll down to our item, and here we can see our cold patch 50-pound bag, description, how many, the measure, price per unit, and total price. So from there, we can save this, and that is how we use simple items in PavementSoft. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at support@pavementsoft.com.